How to make a man feel the sting of losing you. Hello and welcome. My name is Chengi. I am a dating and relationship expert here at the SWAN Relationship Academy, where we teach you ladies how to present as a high value, high status, and high worth woman that high quality men find completely, utterly irresistible. If you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and let's become a big, beautiful, wonderful family and spread the good news of the Black Swan love life. Okay, let's move into today's video. I've done a few videos here on this channel about, how to make him regret losing you. Okay, and so you can go and watch that video. However, today I want to talk about really expanding on that topic more. So think of this as a part 2 to that video. Less with strategy and more with mindset in this instance. It's more about the mindset that you take on. Of course, this idea of revenge feels good when you feel truly played and hurt. But I want you to understand that the blessed form of revenge is your success, and not your temporary success, your ongoing climb. I used to date a gentleman who, when he left, thought that he would destroy my life. Actually, as he walked out the door, my life just began to flourish in a million different ways. And it became a problem much later because obviously he was stalking my socials and looking at me, and he became rather upset and rather angry until he convinced himself to get up to something stupid. However, nothing bad came out of it, and we're here to tell the tale. However, the most important piece of giving a man the sting is not replacing him with another man. I know that some of what we want to do is just go out there and get a new man that is better looking, but that is a trap for you, not a way to sting him. It is actually a pitfall for you, because your only aim moving forward is going to be to replace what you had. And what you had may not have been a worthy copy, may not have been a worthy man. So replacing him with a little bit better than what you had, or a lot better than what you had, is hardly the goalpost here. The goalpost here is, what is the ideal partner for you? Who is the ideal partner for you? And what lessons did you learn from your last relationship? And how can you choose different, choose better? I hope that you are enjoying this video. I just want to say 2 things. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel. Your presence here makes a difference, and we would not be here without you. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please do so. And for those of you who have subscribed, do leave a comment and share. This helps the algorithm share the good news of the SWAN Relationship Academy and helps us further the dream of helping 1 billion women create healthy love lives. Furthermore, you are also supporting the deserted women and children that we put through school and support every single month, alongside the families that work very hard to bring this content to you. I'm going to make you a promise. If you would subscribe, like, share, and comment, I will make sure that you get the very best teaching, training, and content on this channel that you can get anywhere in the world. Deal? Great. See you on the video. When we are thinking in that way, we're better able to attract the man that we want. But if we're thinking about getting a new man so that we can exact revenge and sting him where it hurts, then we will be sabotaging ourselves. In order to truly sting him, it's really about you becoming the even better version of yourself. It's about you loving your life better, achieving in all other areas of your life, standing up, not crying, not stalking him, not checking his Instagram, but really taking all of that attention that you're outsourcing to him and saying, I am worthy of all of my attention. I am worthy of all of my time. Seeing you become better, happier, is the most stinging thing for an ex, because part of our ego wants to see the other person hurting, crying, upset, broken. Even if we're the ones that have walked away from them, we sort of want to be grieved. There's something almost narcissistic in all of us that wants to be grieved, that wants to be adored, that wants to be pedestalized. And so when we take that away, we're left with a sting, men and women. When you take away that energy going their way, that you were somebody and you mattered, that stings. Because that leaves them with the very feeling that they wanted to leave you with, that you don't matter, that your feelings don't count. You leave them believing that actually, it's not me who doesn't matter. It's not my feelings that don't count. I can move on. I'm fine. It's you who doesn't matter to me anymore. Because a man that walks away and no longer wants to be with us can't matter to us anymore. The thing in this video is to make sure that you take all that energy and you put it on yourself. As you grow and take that energy, you really do leave a sting, and you do make him regret, because now he has to face himself and ask himself the question, did I let a good one go? And I hope and pray that he has. I hope and pray that you would have moved on, found true love that doesn't hurt, that doesn't leave you feeling less. I really hope and pray that you would have found the kind of love that you absolutely deserve. And so this is the part two, the missing part to making him regret losing you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, do take care of you. Love you lots. Bye-bye now.
Simple steps to join Black Swan community. Download the Black Swan app from either Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch the app and tap on register. Put in your valid information, then tap on continue. Put in the verification code sent to your email to authenticate your account. Then log into your account. Be sure to accept all permissions displayed at installation stage to enjoy all the cool features in the app. You can now enjoy a community of high-value women with support from coaches and trainers. Book calls with coaches, chat, post, and interact with the community. Enjoy!